बनना चाहते हो नंबर वन ट्रेडर? वेल, नो फिकर। हियर आर द टॉप मार्केट अपडेट्स दैट विल हेल्प यू स्टेइंग अहेड इन द मार्केट। आज की स्टॉक मार्केट खबरों में हम आपको लेकर आए हैं साउथ इंडियन बैंक एंड कोल इंडिया के बारे में। साउथ इंडियन बैंक private lender on Wednesday said it has finalized the names of candidates for the post of Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Also, it said the Board of Directors of the bank has today, May 31st, approved the panel of candidates in order of reference for the position of the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the bank. Coal India. The central government will sell a stake in India's largest coal miner, Coal India Limited (CIL), through an offer for sale (OFS) on the BSE and NSE on Thursday, June 1st. Sources told CNBC TV18 on May 31st. The size of OFS is likely to be around Rs 4,000 crore. The OFS will open tomorrow for non-retail investors. Retail investors can bid on Friday. अभी के लिए इतना ही। मिलते हैं कुछ और न्यू मार्केट अपडेट्स के साथ।